How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro message notification not working. Let's start the video. First of all, open settings app and go down, select apps, and from here we have manage apps. Click on this, and from here search message app. Click on this, and from here we have storage. Click on this, and from here we have clear data in storage message. And now second step is simply swipe down, and from here click on this. After that DND mode will be enabled, and again click on this, then DND mode will be disabled. And after that open settings app and go down, select apps, and here you can see manage apps. Click on this, and here you can see on the top three dot. Click on this and select other settings, and from here reset app preference. Click on this, and from here you can see reset apps, so you can reset apps here, and after that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.